Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate eggs and grow a garden. We will begin by outlining the fundamental requirements for successful egg replication. Next, we'll identify all the essential tools and resources you'll need to gather. Finally, I will guide you through a clear, step-by-step process, ensuring you can easily duplicate your eggs and expand your farm's animal population with confidence and efficiency. To start, you'll need to collect at least 2 eggs of the specific type you wish to duplicate. For instance, 2 chicken eggs. Additionally, ensure you have a generous supply of either fertilizer or growth serum. About 5 units should suffice for a few duplications. Lastly, gather 20 units of wood and 10 units of stone from your farm or surrounding areas, as these are crucial for constructing your essential duplication device. With your resources in hand, it's time to construct the incubator. Open your crafting menu and navigate to the farm equipment section to find its blueprint. You will need 25 units of wood and 15 units of stone to complete the build. Once crafted, carefully place the incubator in an accessible, open area on your farm, ensuring it has enough space for operation and easy access for future use. Now for the exciting part, duplicating your eggs. Interact with your newly built incubator and place 2 of your collected eggs into the designated slots. Next, add 1 unit of your fertilizer or growth serum to initiate the process. The incubator will then begin its work. You'll need to wait for approximately 3 in-game days, after which a brand new, duplicated egg will be ready for collection, expanding your animal collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.